Hey guys, I'm filming this on the day of Diwali and I made a transition reel, but I didn't want to change out of this because it's looking so cute. So yeah, I thought I'll make a quick current favorites video. So let's get into it. My first favorite is the full size I purchased after trying this product out at the last Nika Land, in which I got a mini for this. This is the Cosrx Advanced Nail Mucin. I got the full size recently, and it's magic in a bottle. It's that one skincare product that actually shows you result the next day onwards. So this is, I'm sure I don't have to talk much about this. This is very famous on its own. I literally have used this much almost in a period of 2 weeks. So yeah, this just holy grail. I don't think I'm ever going to like not restock it. So I use 3 pumps in the night for my neck, for like back of my neck, for my entire face. I lather my face into this, I fan it, and then I let it just soak in and dry on my face. And in the morning I wake up with the most unreal beautiful plumped skin. So yeah, give it a try if you already haven't, and thank me later. Next up, this is the Chanel Water Fresh blush, and the texture is like the pigment that is suspended in water. So I happened to go to Palladium Mall, which is in Sobo, and they had Sephora was closed. I was actually going to go to Sephora, but then Chanel was there, and I've never seen a Chanel a shop in a mall before. So I, kind of was intimidated, but I went in and got this blush and two other things. But this blush is something unique. This is so incredibly lightweight on the face, and this is the shade Intense Coral, which looks beautiful on the skin. And if you are in a hurry, literally, I mean, I've gotten some experience with the product, so I just go on my face with this product and in the morning, and I just this is a lot, by the way. You just have to have like a small drop on your cheekbone, suppose, and just blend it in. It looks so natural. It stays for a good amount of time. I wouldn't say the whole day or anything, but it does survive if you are sitting in an AC environment and not sweating a lot. So it does survive for like say 5-6 hours on me. And I powdered it down because I don't like the glossy look that much, all that much on my skin, because I'm an oily skin person. But this is amazing. I really love this product. This has been the discovery of the year for me. First up, the Clio Korean brand. This is the Clio Crystal Glam tint, which is kind of like romance lip tint, or any Korean lip tints that you get around here. But this tint is so reflective. It looks so gorgeous on the lips. I have shots on all of these products, but this goes on so nice and plump, watery looking. I don't know how to this. I mean, it's just it looks like this on the lips, and when you wipe it off, it leaves a gorgeous stain behind. This is the shade Pale Plum. It looks like this on the lips the whole time, and when it wears off, it leaves a gorgeous stain behind. I really love this product, and it is quite cheap. I mean, compared to Romand, I guess. Similarly, I have the Clio lip balm in the shade Honey Apple. Clio as a brand really sounds promising, and I'm gonna give more of their products a try. This is the shade lip balm that I'm obsessed with. Is the Roman Lasting Melting Balm in the shade Mauve Whip. I also have another shade from them which I don't really like because it kind of washes me out. This shade is so cute. This is a nice jammy, it again very similar to this, but yeah, this shade is just gorgeous. If you get on macaroon, please snatch them up, at least one shade. I'm sure you'll be hooked. Moving on to some series recommendations. Actually, I was just watching reruns of Big Bang Theory on Netflix, but I came upon a series called as Fisk. So Fisk, or it's a name or surname of a lady. She's a lawyer. I think she's in her 50s, and she's kind of joined this um, almost dying kind of a law firm, and they're kind of scouting for clients, and it's just fun. If you've seen Fleabag, it is kind of like that. It's like somebody who is living their life in a kind of a miserable state, but they're trying to make the most out of it. I don't know, you just have to give it a try. It's amazing. I mean, it's fun, it's really light-hearted, but kind of entertaining kind of a show. So yeah, Fisk, do give it a watch. YSL has launched in India, and I got this mini in the Sephora Precious Pouch lip set, and this shade is like a basic lip balm. I mean, it's gorgeous though. I'm just obsessed with these lip balmy products nowadays, shiny lip balm products. But this is the shade 02, and I'll just leave the name. Their names are very confusing, so I'll just leave the name of that range. So this YSL product is amazing. Why? Because it kind of moisturizes your lips and gives you so much shine. And also, this is made in Korea, so I'm gonna look it up more and figure out if we have cheaper versions of this, because I feel after trying this the Clio lip balm or the Roman lip balm, like, what are they doing differently? You know, probably stealing a formula and slapping on a luxury name and price tag. But that said, I really love how it feels on the lips. Very beautiful. The feel of it is slightly different than these two lip balms, but I'm still gonna find out, and if there is something worth noting, I'll let you know. So far, I'm loving it. I might go and get a full size because it has also launched in India, and it's just beautiful product. In terms of books, I'm also reading Housemaid's Secret and Three Body Problem, the first book out of the trilogy. The Housemaid's Secret is the second book of their trilogy, and it's kind of same like the first book. Like, the protagonist is kind of helping somebody in need. I mean, same theme as the first one. So if there is no, so far it is going very nice, fast paced, and you kind of want to know what is happening next. So there's that. But I feel that if they're following the same copy paste formula, then I might not go for the third one. But second book, I'll finish and let you know how I felt about it. And did you know I finished a whole Clarins mini and got a full sized one? This is in the shade chocolate. However, I love the shade cherry. That was the most gorgeous red on the lips. So that has kind of gotten me into red lip glosses or colored lip glosses more. And I might give more shades of these a try. But I've promised myself to finish this whole thing and then only going for the next shade. But let's see how that goes with all the sales that are going on. But yeah, so these are my current favorite products. That doesn't mean that I'm not using the favorites that I showed in the previous video. I'm still using them. I just don't want to repeat what I told you earlier. I just finished shooting my current favorites, and I changed, and then I realized I forgot to mention the most favorite item of all, my phone that I'm shooting on. So I was kind of compelled to get a new phone. This is Vivo V40, and this is giving me a very nice clarity in my videos. And I hope your earlier feedback I used to get that the lighting is a little bad, and the clarity, or the overall look and feel of the videos is can be improved. And I hope that this has helped into that, and I'm definitely going to get a mic to aid the situation. So yeah, I'm really loving shooting on this phone for my shorts and videos. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that I'm loving it. If you want to recommend some of the products to me, you can definitely let me know in the comments. Please subscribe, please watch this video and my other shorts that I post daily. That kind of encourages me to do more, and little motivation doesn't hurt anybody, right? So please do that. Thank you so much.